Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A10e. This phone is newly released for Straight Talk Wireless. Let's get it started. Okay, so the Samsung Galaxy A10e has been released for a little while now, but it was just released for Straight Talk Wireless. So I decided to pick it up, try it out, test it out on the network and all that kind of good stuff. So let's go ahead and get right into it. On the bottom there shows some specs, which is also inside the flap, which we'll look at here in a second. This does work on the Verizon network, which is really nice. Open the flap up here, you'll see there is the phone, and here are some specs: 4G LTE, Android 9 Pie, a 5.8-inch HD display, battery talk time up to 23 hours, standby time up to 10 days, Wi-Fi capable, internal storage up to 32 gigabytes, supports the SD card up to 512 gigs, got an 8 megapixel rear camera with a 5 megapixel front-facing camera, and a 1.6 gigahertz octa-core processor with Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology. Let's go ahead and open the box. Okay, so let's go ahead and take the top flap off here, take the phone out here, and we'll set to the side and see what and all comes in the box. So we have what looks like just a regular Samsung charger here. I don't think it has any kind of fast charging on the A10e, and it says 5.0 volts at 1.55 amps. So it might have a little bit of fast charging, really not sure. Also have your USB Type-C charging cable, so really nice to see Type-C here. Also have your Galaxy A10e quick reference manual, SIM ejection tool right here, of course, and you have your Straight Talk terms and conditions of service. So we'll go ahead, put all this away, and we'll look at the phone. Okay, so the phone is now in hand. Now, first thing that I noticed about this phone here is how slick the phone actually is. If you plan on carrying this phone as a daily phone, I would highly recommend the case for this phone. And second of all is how compact the phone feels in the hand. 5.8-inch display, but with the new aspect ratios and all like that, the phone just feels so much smaller than they used to with the same size screens. But I kind of like that in a way. You know, it makes it more, pocket friendly and everything else. But anyway, phone's got a really nice looking color to it here. Not really sure exactly what the phone's made out of, but it does show smudges a lot, as you can see right here. Not a big thing, but something I thought I'd throw out there. On the back here is your single rear facing camera with your flash Samsung logo right there. On the right side here, got your power button and your volume rocker up here. On top, you got a secondary microphone. On the left is your SIM and SD tray right there. And on the bottom, you have your bottom firing speaker, microphone, USB Type-C charging port, and 3.5mm headphone jack, which is nice to see. And of course, up top there, you got your little teardrop notch with your front-facing camera and your front speaker grill. Let's go ahead and power this phone on. Alright, so Samsung Galaxy A10e, powered by Android. So, yeah, really excited to try this phone out. See how it's going to work on Straight Talk and all that kind of good stuff. So, I'll go ahead, get it all set up, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, so we're all set up now and ready to go. Now, first thing I want to hit on here is the price of this phone. Now, this phone is on Straight Talk, available at Walmart, and right now the price of it is $139.99. Now, look at this phone here. There is no fingerprint scanner, which in my opinion is very unacceptable for a phone of that price range and being a Samsung and all like that. It does have face unlock, however, so at least it does have that. Also get your pattern, PIN, password, stuff of that nature here as well. I got face unlock set up, so we'll try that out here in a minute as well. But I think, yeah, a fingerprint scanner should have been on the back somewhere, especially for the price of the phone. But hey, it is what it is. So right now we're going to try out that face unlock. Not looking at it now. Now I am, and it unlocks. Try that again. So there you go. Works just fine. Not the fastest in the world, but it does unlock the phone. No big deal. Now looking here on the display, Samsung does a really good job on their displays. Just a regular HD display, but it looks really nice. Very vibrant, very clear. You may see a flicker here on camera, on the screen, but that's just the way some cameras look. I can't help that. Just the way it is. Look in here on the home screen and the app drawer here by swiping up. You'll see there's not much bloatware here on the phone. I'm sure some of that can be, disabled or even uninstalled. We'll see how that works out. This way here, there's no Bixby button, which is really nice. So yeah, no worry about Bixby here. So let's go ahead and swipe down here from the top and see what we have going on here. Typical stuff like your Wi-Fi, vibrate, Bluetooth, flashlight, airplane, power mode, just your typical stuff that you see on most of these phones. Secure folder, don't disturb, sync, got Dolby Atmos and all that kind of stuff there. Go to the settings here for a little bit. Got your connections. So you have your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode. Now I do apologize for that flicker here in the screen. Using the same phone that I always use to do these unboxings, and yeah, I don't understand it, but hey, it's just the way it is. Anyway, airplane mode, data usage, hotspot and tethering, more connection, private DNS, VPN, printing, and nearby device scanning. Back on out of here. Sound and vibration, notifications, display. You have your brightness, outdoor mode. You got night mode. So that may help out with the flickering, and it does. Yeah, there we go. So turn on night mode here to get rid of that flickering. Get your font size and style, screen zoom, full screen apps, screen timeout, your home screen here. You can change your home screen grid, home screen layout, apps button. I mean, you can change all kinds of stuff here on these Samsung phones. Y'all know they come loaded with settings. So anyway, let's back out of there. Easy mode, navigation bar. You can choose to have full screen gestures, but turn that on there. And this right here to go back. There you go. This right here for your recents. And of course, just straight up here to go home. I personally prefer to have just the old style navigation buttons, the old style Android. That's just what I prefer. Back button on the left, back out of there. Touch sensitivity and screensaver. It's back out of here. Wallpapers and themes, lock screen. So you have your smart lock, your screen lock type, which is pattern and face or whatever you want to choose. Secure lock settings, clock style, Roman clock, face widgets, and all that kind of good stuff there. Device care. Right here will show you can clean your storage, shows your memory, storage, battery, all that kind of stuff. So storage, you got 21.9 gigabytes free out of 32 gigs. So 10.1 gigabytes has been used. Also, this phone, I believe, has 2 gigabytes of RAM, which we'll go ahead and verify that right here. And yeah, it does have 2 gigabytes of RAM. You see right there, real small. So 2 gigabytes of RAM here on this device. Apps, general management, language and input, date and time, software updates, help, and about phone. Shows this phone runs Samsung One UI version 1.1 and Android version 9. So there we go. Go back to the home screen. And yeah, so far, I mean, the phone feels nice. It feels snappy. Of course, we got to, really get in here and download some apps, some games, try it out, see how cameras are and all that kind of good stuff. I will, of course, take some photos and a few videos. I will put them on Instagram or Twitter like I normally do. If you ain't followed me on there, I'll leave a link down below in the description to follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you want to see some simple photos that I do show from these phones that I unbox. So this was just a quick unboxing and first look here of the Samsung Galaxy A10e on Straight Talk. If it was helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it down below. I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I'd appreciate it. Hit that bell for notifications. That'd be awesome. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.